Whoa, what the frick? Oh. What the frick? God damn. Dude, what the hell? I was not... Oh! Oh. That was weird. Dude, Westinghouse BLACK BUTTON. This is my first occurrence of this. You have a fire alarm in here? Fire alarm and elevator. Wow, completely... Oh, there's the indicator. What the hell? Wait, let's see if I can... Oh, you can do that. Okay. Wow. Okay, had my fun. Open door. Thank you. Just gotta add the button. Make sure it stays closed. Bruh. There we go. Okay. Let me get my thumbnail picture. Wow. Macy's Freight. You want to sneak on it? Westinghouse BLACK BUTTON. That's it.